सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् ॐ Chapter 9, page 64, verse 8. Vasana eva samsaram iti sarvabhimunchataham तत्यागो वासना त्यागात् स्थितिरद्य यथा तथा. The definition of samsara is nothing but vasana alone. Vasana means obsession. Why those are called obsessions? The vasana is that which always carries everywhere. Like jasmine vasana, rose vasana, that which pervades. If you touch, your finger smells the same flower smell. So it has got that vasana. Agarbatti vasana. That means that vasana pervades, continues, wherever you keep that vasana stick there. That smell. So here vasana means janma janmala vasana. Jiva vasana, ahankara vasana. I am a human being. Jivatvam is also a vasana. The bhavana, the deep latent tendencies, impressions are called vasanas. Deep latent impressions which are hidden in the mind, antahkaranam. Ahankara vasana. The moment anyone calls you, you will get that ego immediately comes. Very deep rooted bhavanas. Ahankara vasana, jivatva vasana. So, Ashtavakra is asking, convert or replace the Jiva Vasana, Ahankara Vasana into Sadvasana. Aham Sat Brahma iti Vasana you develop. Where Jiva Vasana is there, where Ahankara Vasana is there, both are Anatma. So, this Anatma Vasana you replace with what? Sat Vasana. Atma Vasana. Sadvasana is equal to Atma Vasana. Sat means Sat Brahman, Atman. In Valmiki Ramayanam, that shloka, in the last class, second line I gave different meaning. You can correct it. Tat tyagaha, I said vasana tyagaha, but it is samsara tyagaha. Not tat is not vasana, but I said vasana in the last class. Tat means samsara. Vasana tyagat samsara tyagaha. This jiva bhava alone is samsara. Jiva bhava vasana alone is samsara. Ahankara vasana alone is samsara. I am having a lot of problems. I have papa, I have lot of prarabdha karma, I have done lot of papa karmas, I have to do lot of parihara rituals. All these bhavanas are all very, very deep rooted. Now I have some dosha in my and jatakam. This is also another vasana. So let me go and do this, that pariharan. So these are all called jiva vasana. What Valmiki Ramayana says, this malina vasana, shuddha vasana, two types of vasanas. With shuddha vasanas, you eliminate the malina vasanas. Have shuddha vasanas, you slowly reduce the malina vasanas, or you have to make them very, very feeble first. Then slowly they will disappear. Malina vasana. Why na? Malina vasana janma hetu. In Valmiki Ramayana, the shloka tells, vasana dvividha prokta shuddha cha malina cha tatha. Shuddha cha malina tatha. Malina janma hetu syat, shuddha janma vinashini. It's very nice shloka. Vasana dvividha prokta. There are two types of vasanas. Dvividha prokta. What are those two? Shuddha vasana, malina vasana. Shuddha cha malina tadha. Shuddha vasana, number one. Malina vasana means ashuddha vasana, number two. Two are there. So what? If there two are there, let them be there now. No. One is very, very harmful. Malina janma hetu syat. Malina vasana, aham jivaha, aham shariri, this body I am. I belong to this varna, I belong to this country, I belong to this family, I belong to this gotram, I belong to this lot of status, all these qualifications, roles, all these, the thinking that is ashuddha vasana, malina vasana. That vasana alone caused to janma hetuhu. Janma means birth. Hetuhu means karanam. This thought continuously, if I think, I am an ordinary housewife, I am facing lot of problems, that ahankara bhavana, jiva bhavana leads to this problem. Janma again, janma. Therefore, malina janma hetu syad, shuddha janma vinashini. Shuddha vasana destroys birth. Janma nashini. Shuddha vasana is what? Shuddha vasana is, I want to get moksha. I want to study Shastra. I want to study Upanishads. I want to study Bhagavad Gita. All these Shuddha Vasanas. I want to do Japa. I want to do meditation. These are also desires only. Vasana can be called as a desire also. Deep desire. Which are registered already. So this Shubhavasana or Shuddhavasana, once it is there, I want to study Shastra, I want to get Jnanam, I want to get Moksha, what will happen? Slowly, without your knowledge, you will get Moksha. Janma Vinashini. You love to attend the class in the Pandivazar Kesari High School in spite of traffic. I wonder how many students have come, how you have come here. Many times I wonder. That's why I feel those who are attending Kesari High School class, Bhagavan will give extra blessings. Kurtida ahano. In the class not easy. So you will get Jnanam definitely soon. So this is what I heard from the Lord. It is not joke to come to class. T Nagara class conduct pandrathu as first difficult thing. That students are coming like this so many years is great wonder. ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯೋ ವಕ್ತ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾದರಿ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯೋ ದಿಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾವಕ್ರ ಗೀತಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯಂ. Therefore, Shubhavasana, these are all called Shubhavasana. You are all having lot of Shubhavasana. Intense desire for Shastra. What you are going to get benefit? Janma Vinashini. Janana Marana Samsara Chakra Vyadhi Jara. In the Badha Ellame Poidum. Who says? Valmiki Ramayana, Valmiki says. Therefore, here Ashtavakra says Vasana eva samsaraha. That Jiva Bhava looking down upon myself. I have old age, I have death, I have lot of problems, insecurity, all this samsaraha. Iti sarva vimuncha taha. May you renounce all those vasanas, ashuddha vasanas, malina vasanas. The fear is a malina vasana. Bhayam is a type of vasana. Give up them. Why? If you give up them, what is the benefit? How you get moksha? You get moksha. Valmiki said like that. So, tat tyagaha, samsara tyagaha, vasana tyagat. Once you renounce that vasana, means that thought which is anatma bhavana. Now I am this sariram, this is anatma. I am taking this mortal body as myself. This is called samsara. I am taking myself, this mortal panchabhuta udal as myself. This is the greatest error, the biggest error the human being does. I am not the body at all. It is impossible. This is jadam, inert, flesh, blood, bones. You analyze it. What is shariram? How can I take myself as shariram? How can I develop abhimana? That abhimana is so powerful. Tat tyagaha vasana tyagat. You have to renounce vasana first. Ashuddha vasana by Shuddha vasana. How can you renounce that, drop that malina vasana? Only attending Ashtavakra Gita, Vedanta classes. Once you attend Vedanta classes, Shuddha vasana becomes so predominant, so much, they become so powerful, top they come, and slowly this malina vasana will come down, which is janma hetu. Here moksha hetu. Automatically you will get it. So develop Shuddha vasana. Spend more time for Shastra. Morning, afternoon, evening. How you are taking food? Morning, afternoon, the night. Every day. So every day morning keep with connection with Shastra. Read the notes or text, do nididhyasanam. One form or other you keep in touch with Shastra. Or CD listening, or cassette listening, or reading your own notes whether you have written properly or not. So every day how much time we are spending for food without fail. Therefore studying Shastra and keeping touch with Shastra is very important, 3 times minimum. Clear? That tyatat tyaga, vasana tyagat, samsara tyagaha. Then once it happens, adya yatha tatha stitihi. You remain where you are, in which place, in which ashrama, continue it. You need not change your ashrama. You need not go to ashrama, another ashrama. You need not give lakhs of rupees to them, they will take care of. You need not go to old age homes also. You need not go to any ashrama. You need not change your dress also. Wherever you are, in whatever ashrama, if you are a bachelor, if you want to marry, you can marry. It doesn't matter. Don't think like that. Yatha tadhan chunnari punna bachelor, therefore let me not marry anilla. Okay, those who want, they can marry. Yatha tatha. Therefore, Ashrama will not bring PHS. What brings PHS in a mindset? Your mindset has to be changed. How? By replacing the Malina Vasana with Shuddha Vasana. Up to here we saw in the last class. Now we enter into the 10th chapter, first shloka. Ashtavakra uvacha Vihaya vairinam kamam Ardhachanardha sankulam Dharmamapyetayor hetum Sarvatrānādaram kuru. Now Ashtavakra telling to Janaka Maharaja, Jnanam has to be converted into Jnana Nishtha. Jnanam has to be converted into Jnana Nishtha. What do you mean by converting Jnanam into Jnana Nishtha? Once I get Jnana Nishtha, my Atma Swarupam is very, very spontaneous. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is very spontaneous. That is the phalam. Jnana Nishtha is the phalam. Otherwise, what will happen? Once in a while, again these dharma, artha, kama, moksha and the purusharthas still lingering in the mind. 4 purusharthas are there. You have to transgress. You have to overcome the obsession of even moksha also. That's what he is going to tell. So, Mano Nigraha is very, very important. Mind control is very important to get Jnanam before knowledge. Mano Nigraha ante mind control. Mind discipline. After getting Jnanam also, Mano Nigraha is very important for Nididhyasanam. Mano Nigraha, highly emphasized this sadhana. Mano Nigraha, mind control. Mind control means in the mind there are some obsessions, mainly raga, dvesha. Raga, dvesha, attachment. Trishna, attachment, sometimes they call it as Trishna, sometimes they call it as Spruha, sometimes they call it as Kama. So many names are there for attachment. Anuraga or Raga. Just now music season was over. No? Raga. Raga, Anuraga, Spruha, Kama, Vasana also called attachment. Deeply attached to something is called Vasana. How to find out Vasana? Simple. When you are doing some work, when you are doing your household duties or any duties, something is going on in the mind. Your mind, maximum time, what it is thinking? It is thinking about so many things, but it is thinking about one thing maximum time. Maximum time. That you have to find out. I do not know. Sometimes the person who is thinking also do not know what is predominantly going. Now you have to put a zoom lens now. What is going on? Predominantly. Maximum time. Morning, how many times this thought has come? Again afternoon, how many times it has come? Again evening. If you see that number, denominations, number, that one thought, one person coming all the time in the mind. Either it is a raga vishaya or dvesha vishaya. That person may be very much attached to me, coming all the time in the mind. I love that person, I love that person, go on coming. Either putra, putri, or a husband, or mother, or father, all the time they come. That is called vasana. Maybe sometimes dvesha vishaya also. I hate one person, suppose. I cannot tolerate his behavior. All the time that person comes. Dvesha vishaya vasana. Either ishtam or ayishtam. Either raga vishaya or dvesha vishaya. But one person all the time that boom, 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 and the one இருக்கலையோ இந்த சந்திர பண்ண மாதிரி மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரு நாய்ஸ், இன்னர் நாய்ஸ். அந்த இன்னர் நாய்ஸ்ன்னு செக் பண்ணணும். Dvesha Vishaya negative, that is, we want to come out of it. Shastra says even Raga Vishaya also you keep aside. Whom you love, you keep them aside. How? The moment you develop, go on thinking that vasana, continuation from previous chapter. If you go on thinking about that person, Raga Vishaya, you start controlling that person. Once we develop attachment towards mother or father or son or daughter or husband or wife, we start controlling them. What we control? We control that person. Next, first attachment, then control. Control of not that person only. What are all connected to that person, also we start controlling. Job or any other things, what are all he is using. Family, relations, husband side relations also we control. Because we want to control husband or wife. Their family members also we want to control by controlling this person. So what happens in the process of controlling other person and other person's related objects and people also, I am trying to control. What will happen in your mind? Anxiety. That anxiety continuously will be there. Because of that anxiety, I develop a lot of registered vasanas inside. Because always thinking, continuously thinking, what will happen? And the impressions in the thumb impression madri. Vasana is called impression. Thumb impression, that even that lines also you can see. Have you seen that? And the small lines also you can see on thumb print impression is very powerful. Than that, your vasana is very, very powerful. Whomever you think, they all only come in your mind all the time. Even that situation is over, the incident is over after 5 years also, thumb print irukka illiya already, that is there. Once in a while it comes out. That is why you are carrying vasanas, not present life. We are carrying vasanas from janmas. So powerful. Therefore, that attachment, that trishna, spruha, desire first reduce. Desire to control other person, that person will give happiness to me, that person will give security to me. Either husband or wife or other family members, my life is along with them only. If they are not there, my life is no meaning at all. These are all wrong notions. Because wrong door I am tapping. PHS at the wrong door I am tapping, which where there is no possibility. better not to tap that door. Never knock that door. What door? PHS in wrong place. Relations, they give peace and happiness. So here what he says, artha kama. Artha means money, wealth, any type of wealth. If I have wealth, I am secure. That bhavana is wrong notion, Ashtavakra says. If I fulfill my desires, I can be happy. You can never fulfill your desires. All the desires. Trishnana jirnam, vayameva jirnam. Therefore, the Shastra says, may you not carry away by desires, binding desires. Vihaya vairinam kamam. See, vairinam kamam. Kama yesha krodha yesha rajoguna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapapma vidyena miha vairinam. Na tune lo chollale. Enge varudhenna Bhagavad Gita lo varudhe. Kama yesha krodha yesha rajoguna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapapma vidyena miha vairinam. That vairinam, enemy. Who is your enemy? Your kamam only your enemy. Your desire. What kama? Ashubha kama. I want to study Ashtavakra Gita. It is not vairi. It is not your enemy. Studying Vedanta is Shubhavasana. Shubha kama. Therefore, here Ashubha kamam anartham. Kamam, vairinam kamam, the kama which is your enemy, vihaya. Vihaya means having given up. Having given up, then what? Artham anartha sankulam. Dharma artha kama mokshala, middle two purusharthas is pointing out. My security is if I fulfill my desires. What is my desire? I want to get a house. I want to get married. I want to get children. I want to get grandchildren. I want to buy this, that and all. All these desires, the desire one by one increasing more and more without any limit. All the time I am full of desires now. So many desires. That desires are only obstacle for moksha. Shubhavasana, minimum basic needs, what are all required, you can accumulate, you can take, but not more than that. Roti, kapda or makan. Shelter to protect your body from sunlight and rain, from winter. And clothes to protect your body from the climate, atmosphere. You have to protect your body. Food to protect the body. See, shelter, food and clothes are meant for what? To protect this body. After earning these many thousands or things something, afterwards target increase more and more. Trishna should not increase. Let it come by itself, it comes. But I should not have any anxiety. Anxiety, worry, I should not have. It comes, okay. It won't come also, okay. But inside the worry, anxiety is the cause. That is called samsara. What Shankaracharya said in Bhajagovindam, artham anartham bhavaya nityam nastita tasukha lesha satyam. First we earn money. Then we become slaves to the money. Earning money is not wrong. Dhanalakshmi, earning money, we respect money. But over desirous of accumulating wealth more and more than what we require, that is more harmful. That is called greed. That kamam you vihaya, you give up. And artham, sankulam. Sankula means it is anartha hetu and artham. Anartha sankula means it cause many problems and artham. Anartha means problem, problematic. Sankula means endowed with full of problems. Lot of money you have, you cannot sleep, that's all. First anartha. Lot of money you have and you have to think where to keep. And you have to find out one auditor. Lot of money and you have to keep in different ways. Gold, land property, house property and son perla, grandson perla, andanda perla vekkanum ella idhe time poinde irukum namakku. Krishna Rama japam onnume kediyadu. Anartha sankulam anar. And more insecurity also. See the beauty here. People earn money for security. Okay, we all earn money for what? For security. Later what will happen? Because of that money, we lose security. We will become more insecure. Even children also. Look at your own property, not you. Your money, your house, they want. So you are more insecure. Who will come? Who will break my head any time? Now we are seeing in the paper. Every day you can see the case. That's what Ashtavakra says. Anartha sankulam. Don't accumulate too much money, wealth, any sort of wealth. Have minimum, simple living, high thinking. Then second line he says, dharmam api etayoho hetum. For these two, dharma means here punya, acquiring punya, doing certain rituals, religious practices to get some material prosperity, worldly pleasures, worldly objects. Dharma for name and fame, people are doing, no? Today, who is temple, who is puja? For so and so. No? Activities of dharmic activities. Doing dharmic activities, want to get good name, good fame, all these things. Dharma mapi. That alone is the cause for kama and artha. Dharma, artha, kama. So these are all goals. I want to fulfill my desires. It's a goal. I want to earn so much money, wealth. It's a goal. I want to get punyam, either in this world or higher lokas. Let me have materialistic prosperity. Materialistic prosperity. So these are all you have to give up. Sarvatra anadaram kuru. In all these three, anadara means may you have vairagyam. May you have vairagyam. Dharma means noble activities. Noble activities, how long? Lifelong you go on doing noble activities, punya karmas. What will happen, You get lot of punyam and it go to Sanchita. Then you will come back. With what? With full of lot of pleasures. Nice body, nice house, ellame nice. Venuma, again you will come back. So therefore, dharma leads to punya leads to higher janma. Therefore, Shastra says even punyam also we don't want. So, papa karma you give up by doing punya karma. Then punya karma also what? Jnana vairagya siddhyartham ani sollana. Punya karma pannum bodu I want to go to Swarga, I want materialistic properties and pandakudadu. Punya karma also. What for punya karma I do? Suppose if I do also in Grihastha ashrama, Jnana vairagya siddhyartham ani sollana. This punya karma also be encashed for what? Jnanam vairagyam. Without Jnanam, Vairagyam, if I do only Sakama Punya Karma to go higher lokas, to do get all prosperity here, materialistic benefits, what will happen? Is there Sukha? You go to Swarga, you will come back again. Even you get materialistic prosperity also, they are not permanent. They are impermanent. Therefore, Sarvatra Anadaram Kuru. May you drop all of them. Therefore, Dharma, Artha, Kama also, these goals are intermediary goals only for basic living. Basic living only, not the end, not the ultimate goal of life. What about moksha? Vote for moksha, keep dharma, artha, kama subservient. Become a jignasu and artha. By becoming a jignasu, you keep your desires, your entertainments, and your earning money, wealth. Don't spend too much time for that. Spend at least once in a week or twice, thrice for Vedanta class, so that you can balance. In the mood 4 class, Vedanta class, and your life can be balanced properly. Otherwise, what will happen? Vedanta study is not there, no class, no scriptural study and all. This materialistic life will become predominant. Your anxiety increase and worry increase, blood pressure increase. Up doctor bill increase. So to decrease the doctor bill, to avoid blood pressure, to avoid stress, to avoid anxiety, I have to go to what? Vedanta Ashtavakra Gita class. Therefore, this is called balance. Spiritual life and materialistic life both can be balanced. Okay. When we are in the world, total spiritual life, as long as you live, you require some interaction with the world. Intelligently keep them in equal. First, at least 25% you start spiritual life. Okay. 75% up to 40 years. Okay. 25% Vedanta. Then slowly increase to 50%. Appo in the life 50%, this 50%. Appo enna next, this 75%, worldly interactions 25%. So phone bill kammi. No phone bill, reducing the phone bill. That means what? Your study is increasing in artham. More increasing. Then 75 to 80 to 90. The very, very minimum interaction. And 90%. Immediately what comes in? Atma Jnana Nishtha. This is called Mano Nigraha. Dharma Artha Kamalla Mano Nigraham irkanam. Without attachment to wealth, without attachment to desires, so many desires to people, and without attachment even to punya. Sarvatra anadaram kodu. Don't do adaram. Adaram pannakoodadu. Adaram anna respecting vaango annu sollakoodadu. Any desires varana podum enakappa. Enakku podum annu sollanu. Lot of wealth, anybody says you earn money, you can do large. Enough annu. What about noble activities, religious activities? Adiyum podum. Adavadu panna kuda jnana vairagya siddhya. Next shloka we will read. Swapnendra jalavat pashyam dinani trini panchavam mitra kshetra dhanagaram Daradayadi Sampadaha. He himself says, what is Sampada? Artha he mentioned there in the first sloka. What do you mean by Artha? Not only bank balance, Whatever relation you have, what are all possessions you have, they are all giving security, no? Not only money. Sun also is equal to Artha. Is it not? House is also equal to Artha. Husband to wife, wife to husband, it also comes under Artha Kama. Therefore, he is giving some all these things, how you should look at them. He says, Mitra, Kshetra, Dhana, Gara, Dara, Dayadi. Mitra, friends. Kshetra, land. Plot, land, landlord. Children, landlord. Kshetra, Dhana. What are all other possessions? Money. In biscuit form, chain form, gold form, silver form, dhanam, in currency form, in dollars form. We do not know what are all other forms are there. You know better than me. You know better than me. What are all forms? Dhana, gara. Dhana, gara. You can take house properties, flats. Flats, house. Dhana, gara means flats. Dara, wife. Dayadi. Daya means cousin brothers, own brothers, sisters, all of them. Adi Padat, you can extend, you know, better. Adi Padat, all other relations, all possessions, what are all you are having. If you have Swiss bank, Swiss bank lo people are keeping, no? After me, the Vamsya Paramparya rule also. Daya de another. Next, they are want to make my son only is the next minister. My son also now itself I announced. Adi madri, people want to get power more and more. Dayadi. Sampadaha. These are all called Sampada. Mitra is a Sampada. Kshetra is a Sampada. Sampada means wealth. Mitra is wealth, equal to wealth. Kshetra is land is equal to wealth. Dhanam, of course, any type of gold or silver currency. House, plots, dara, wife or husband also you can add. Dhanam, wife is a wealth to husband, a husband is wealth to wife. Then Dayan, brothers also, relation sisters. They are all like what? Swapne Indrajalavat. Swapnendra Jalavat. Swapna. It is, they are all like a swapna. Like dream and enchukona. How much time dream remain? Once you wake up, the dream goes. It's very, very fleeting. Why is dream example? Just as dream is unreal, dream is temporary, fleeting, very short. Your Mitra, Kshetra, Dara, Griha, Dayadi, Dara, Pati, all of them are like Swapna. They are also unreal, they are also fleeting, very, very short time. How many days? He gives days also. Dinani Trini Panchava. 3 days or 5 days. 3 years or 30 years or 50 years. So 3 days, 5 days, why he says like that? By seeing this way it goes. Dinayaminyau Sayam Pratah. Shishira Vasantau. How many winters we have seen? How many summers we have seen? How many rainy seasons we have seen? Kshanam running. So fast it is going. By just you look like this, you can see the face changing in the mirror. Our children, they are growing. You can see the growth. Very, very, fraction of seconds. That's why they show in TV and all cinema and the calendar காமிச்சு this many over years overன்னா அந்த கிருன்னு அந்த பேப்பர்ஸ் எல்லாம் அப்படியே போகும். அப்போது 30 years அந்த ஹீரோ வந்து குழந்தை இருவான்னா பெருசான ஆகிட்டான். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவா, அதெல்லாம் காமிக்காமலே அந்த கேலண்டர் காமிப்பான். அந்த ஜிர்ன்னு ஒரு ரீல் போட்டான்னா அது இட் ஷோஸ் இயர்ஸ்ன்னு காட் டைம் பாஸ் டவேன்னு அர்த்தம் ஷோஸ். அது மாதிரி காமிக்கிறார் இப்படி பிக்சரைசேஷன். 3 வா 5 வா தினானீன் ஸ்வப்ன இந்திரஜாலவத். ஹேவ் யூ கண்ட்ரோல் ஓவர் ஸ்வப்ன? Can you stop swapna? Hey, some more time you stay today. It is very nice dream. Don't go. Anna irukuma? The tiger is chasing. No, stop. Go na poma. Can you stop that? Never. You have no control over your dream. Unpredictable. Which dream is going to come, you know? You do not know. After coming, can you stop it when you want? Nice dream. Or bad dream you want, can push away? You cannot. So uncontrollable. You have no control at all. Similarly, Indrajala, magic. Over magic, whenever person doing magic, are you having any control on that? How much time it appears? You do not know. What is going to appear also you do not know. Isn't it? Uncontrollable. How much time that magic appears? Only few seconds, few minutes. Panchava, Triniva, Dinani, all are like this. Putra, Mitra, there are friends are also. They come and they go away. All are only like a passengers. He says, Swapne Indrajalavat Pashya. May you see them. All these friends, relatives, money, wealth, whatever you have, your house, your land, everything within fraction of second, like a dream, they disappear in front of you. Pashya Indrajalavat. Yatra yatra bhavet trishnam samsaram vidhi tatra vaim प्रौढमैराग्यमाश्रित्य वीततृष्णः सुखी भव. Sukhi Bhava. Ashtavakra says, may you have a peaceful life. Sukhi Bhava. May you be happy. How? Praudha vairagyam ashritya. May you resort to vairagyam. Ashritya means may you resort to. May you take to. What? Vairagyam. Vairagyam means detachment. Detachment. What type of detachment? Not grapes are sour vairagyam. Okay, not grapes are sour vairagyam. Praudha vairagyam. Praudha means tivra vairagyam. Intense dispassion. Intense dispassion. Vita trishnaha vigata trishna yasmat saha. May you be free from trishna, desire, craving, clinging. Trishna. Your trishna, the desire for to accomplish this, I want to get that, I want to get this, I want to do that. So many preoccupations in the mind. That trishna, vigata trishna means may you give up. Vigata trishnaha bhava nartha. May you be free from trishna. They say Trishna grows in a person as he is growing. Trishna grows. Trishna means a desire, spruha, clinging, grows. In one sloka they say, the go shrunga. Go shrunga, cow horns. When it is born, the horn you cannot see, very, very, very soft, feeble, the skin oda same. Okay, as it grows, horns also growing. Similarly, as we grow, as we were very, very babies, and the time onnume theriyadu. 1 year, 2 years when the dolls, நிறைய டால்ஸ் வேணும், அப்புறம் வேறு 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 டிசைர்ஸ் வருது. இப்போ அந்த டால், அப்புறம் வேற டால், அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னொரு டால். புரியுறதோ? சின்னప్పుడు ஒரு பொம்மை டால், அப்புறம் ஒய்ஃப் ஆர் ஹஸ்பண்ட் அது ஒரு டால், அதுக்கப்புறம் சில்ட்ரன் அனதர் டால், எப்பயும் கிராண்ட் சில்ட்ரன். எப்பவுமே டால்ஸில் தான் இருக்கோம் நம்ம, இல்லையோ? வென் வி வர் பேபிஸ் யங்ன்னா இந்த பொம்மை என்ன, அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த பொண்ணு அந்த பையனை பார்த்து அந்த பொம்மை நன்னா இருக்கான்னா, அந்த பையன் இந்த பொண்ணு பார்த்து இந்த பொம்மை நன்னா இருக்கான்னா, அது ரெண்டுமே அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவான், உனக்கு பொம்மை வேணும் எனக்குன்னு சொல்லுவான், குழந்தை வேணும். குழந்தை பிறந்தது இல்லையோ, இல்லை எனக்கு கிராண்ட் சில்ட்ரன் பொம்மை வேணும்னா, பொம்மைன்னா பேபி. ஸோ லைஃப் லாங் ஏதோ ஒரு பொம்மை பிடிச்சுட்டே இருக்கோம் நம்ம, இல்லையோ? ஸோ அதுதான் கோஸ்ருங்கவத் இட் க்ரோஸ்னா. தட் ஸ்லோகா நைஸ் ஸ்லோகா. யதாசா ஸ்ருங்க கோகாலே வர்த்தமானேன வர்த்ததே. காலவர்த்தமானேன, த டைம் க்ரோஸ். ஆஸ் த டைம் மூவ்ஸ் ஃபார்வர்ட், in the Goshrunga also come upwards, it grows. Evam trishna api chittena vardhamanena vardhate. As your chittam, you are mature, you are becoming older and older, trishna increases. Trishna increase. Now that boy doesn't have much trishna, no? Very, very feeble. Then he grows, increase more. Very natural. That's why have control, moderate. Yathasa shrunga gokale vardhamanena vardhate, evam trishna api chittena vardhamanena vardhate. Sari. Next shloka. Yatra படித்தோம் இல்லையோ? எத்திர எத்திர பவேத் திருஷ்ணா. Now I have to explain this. Wherever Trishna is there, yatra yatra Trishna bhavet. Wherever Trishna, the desire, longing and artham. Longing, sofa set to sofa set to sofa set to longing. LCD TV, specially imported seats, TV. ஏதோ one or other. Always there is some desire. I don't have any desire for my sake, Swamini. My son kaha. For my son sake. அவனுக்கு வாங்க வேண்டாமோ, எனக்கு ஒன்றுமே வேண்டாம், அவனுக்குன்னு சொல்லி இவனு திங்க் பண்ணிட்டே ஆல் த டைம். இல்லை பொண்ணுக்கு வேணுமானோ பையனுக்கு வேணுமானோ, ஆனால் பொண்ணுக்கு பையன் எனக்கு வேண்டாப்பான்னு சொன்னான். இல்லை எனக்கு கிராண்டு பையனுக்கு வேணும் தான், பேத்திக்கு வேணும், பேரனுக்கு வேணும்னா ஏதோ ஒரு சாக்கு சொல்லிண்டே, யாருக்காவதுன்னு சொல்லிண்டே இவனுக்கு இப்படியுமே அது ஒரு ஆனந்தம். திருஷ்ணா எத்திர எத்திர பவே திருஷ்ணா. வேரெவர் த திருஷ்ணா இஸ் தேர் சம்சாரம் வித்தி தத்ர வை. அங்கங்கே தான் சம்சாரம் இருக்கப்பா. ஆங்ஸைட்டி, சம்சாரம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? ஆங்ஸைட்டி. Anxious person is anxious night, day and night, until he gets that any object for that matter, whatever a person desires, until he or she gets it. தூக்கம் வராது, சாப்பிடும் கூட அது அப்புறம் I want to get it. That is the power of mind. This mind nature is always hooked to one object or other, one person or other all the time, and it justifies. because it feels I am happy if that object is there. I am happy if that person is with me. I am happy if I talk with that person by phone. If I see that person, I am happy. If I look at that person, I am happy. If I talk to that person, I am happy. If I get that object, I am happy. Enna adu oru pleasure. Adu oru pleasure gives. So mind always lingering or hooked to one thing or other. Watch your mind. Yatra yatra trishna bhavet samsaraha tatra vidhi. Samsara, why and indeed. Definitely there is samsara and anxiety and artham. Stress. Samsara is equal to stress. Praudha vairagyena ashritya. Vairagyam nanna varana. Eppudi vairagyam varana? Dosha darshanam. How you develop vairagyam? Never have that thought, these are only gives for me peace, happiness, security. Ananda. If I get ananda through any person, through any object, at any time, it will go away. That ananda which comes also, it has got gradation. What way I expect that person should respond? Impossible. I expect once I have attachment towards a person, either son or daughter or wife or husband or a friend or grandchildren, I expect them, they should talk like this. They should respond in this manner. They should bring all these things. There are so many expectations are there. So attachment is nothing but it leads to expectation. Once that expectation is not fulfilled, what way I want, what comes? Some disappointment, some unhappiness. So there is some strain, pain inside. The what? First time I want. Next what way I want that. First I want, then same way what way I want, they should come. They should come and sit as I want. They should talk as I want. They should respond as I want. Ella as I want, as I want. இது வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நேச்சுரல் மனசுக்கு. அது என்ன ஆகும்னா டே பை டே இட் பிகம் ஸ்ட்ராங்கர் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங்கர் அண்ட் ஸ்ட்ராங்கர். Wife expects husband to speak like this. Wife expect husband to do like this. ஏன் சொல்லாமலே பண்ணணும் அவர். நான் சொன்னி பண்ண அது என்ன பெரிய விஷயம்? ஹஸ்பண்ட் ஆல்சோ எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் த சேம் வே. சொன்னதுக்கப்புறம் நான் சொன்ன மாதிரியே பண்ணணும், அது வேற பண்ணக்கூடாது. சில்ட்ரன் ஆல்சோ தே ஷுட் டூ லைக் திஸ் ஓன்லி. இதுதான் படிக்கணும், இங்கே இவ்வளோ தான் சம்பாதிக்கணும், இங்கே தான் இருக்கணும், எல்லாமே லாட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன்ஸ். No one can fulfill our expectations all the time in what way we want. It is impossible. Therefore what? Leave persons, objects, situations as they are. Do your best, contribute, but no condition. அப்படி என்ன எல்லாம் விடணுமா சுவாமினி? shall I give up everyone? You need not give up. You can take care of children, you take care of your husband, wife, family, mothers, parents, children, everyone, but not by conditioning with expectations. No expectation. What do you want from others? I don't want anything. Then what? I contribute as a father. What I have to contribute? I contribute, I do. Just as I contribute, I do exercise for this body, to take care of this body, I have to do exercise. That is my job. That is my duty, responsibility. Then after doing exercise, what is the condition of the health is not in my hands. I cannot put condition on the body. I have done this much exercise, this has to be like this. I have done this much walking a treadmill, this much weight only it should be. Never. This is not in your control. Contributor, always be contributor, never have expectation. If I am having conditions and expectation, there is a lot of disappointment and life becoming more pessimistic. Therefore, drop that attachment towards expectations, conditioning and all. Contribute everything as your duty, responsibility. Other person should behave like this. Other person what அவர் என்ன திங்க் பண்ணுறாருன்னு யுவர் பிளான். உங்களை திங்கிங்கே நமக்கு தெரியாது, அவர் திங்கிங் நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? வாட் மை மதர் இல்லா இஸ் திங்கிங் அண்ட் உனக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? வாட் இஸ் யுவர் திங்கிங்? யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு திங்கிங் இட் செல்ஃப், யூ டோன்ட் ஹாவ் கண்ட்ரோல். மதர் இல்லா தாட்ஸில் உனக்கு என்ன கண்ட்ரோல் இருக்குன்னு? ஃபாதர் இன்லா ஆகட்டும், மதர் இன்லா ஆகட்டும், எனி ரிலேஷன் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர், எனி ஒன். But why we are struggling like this? Because of Trishna, Raga, attachment. Powerful attachment is the cause for sorrow, disappointment, failure. All these are because of too much expectations. Therefore, accept whatever comes. You can have aspirations. If they are not fulfilled, wonderful. Because God's will, God's decision. I accept what comes in front. I am happy with that. That is called Trishna Rahitaha, Vigata Trishnaha. Now what is our title? Nama கொடுத்த நாமகரணம் பண்ணது அது இருக்கட்டும். இப்போ every Ashtavakra Gita student has to claim, I am Vigata Trishnaha. I am Vigata Trishnaha. Get up as Vigata Trishnaha. Contribute to your duties, family and all. And relax. What you get by this? Relaxation. Anxiety-free life. No migraine headache. No, all diseases comes because of anxiety. So be free from anxiety. For that what I have to do? Vairagyam. Kamatyaga, Arthatyaga, Dharmatyaga, then what? Moksha Tyaga later. Craving for moksha, enake epo moksha varumo. Desire for liberation is also ajnana. I was muktaha, I am muktaha, ever will be muktaha. Why? Moksha kaha goda tirippi, adi oru desire. Ashtavakra இப்படி சொல்ல போறார். அப்புறம் என்ன, நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் வர வேண்டாமா? வரணும். பூர்ணமத பூர்ணமிதம் பூர்ணாத் பூர்ணமுதச்யதே பூர்ணஸ்ய பூர்ணமாதாய பூர்ணமேவாவசிஷ்யதே. ஓம் சாந்தி சாந்தி சாந்தி. ஹரி ஓம். ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமः. ஹரி ஓம்.